Okay, hi guys. I'm going to show you how to make a tea that you can both drink or use in your hair. The way that you use it in your hair is you wait until it's cooled and then you apply it to, or you put it inside of an applicator bottle or a spray bottle. And you can spray it on your scalp as a pre-shampoo treatment. Okay, you leave it on there for about half an hour while you have your head covered with a plastic bag or a cap. Okay, but this is basically how you make it, and it's really delicious too. All right, so we're going to start with a half a tablespoon, approximately half a tablespoon of fennel seeds. Okay, now if I could just get it open. There. Okay, half a tablespoon of fennel seeds. Okay, that was just one little seed in there before because I drink this tea quite often. All right, half a tablespoon of nettle, dried nettle. Dried nettle. Half a tablespoon of mint leaves, dried mint leaves. And 3 cloves, 3 whole cloves actually, 3 whole cloves. Okay, now what you can do if you prefer is you can buy some tea bags off of Amazon, and you can put this mixture. You can make a whole batch, a large batch, and put the mixture, the powdered mixture. You could even grind it in your NutriBullet if you like, and put it in your tea bags that you can get off of Amazon, and then you can just have them there ready. Okay, and the last ingredient is about this much of fresh ginger. So I'm just going to peel it, and then I'm going to slice it very thin, and then just pour my boiling water over it. And this tea is very, very healthy, just in general. You know, it's really good for digestion, and it's really good as a detox type of tea. Okay, so it's a really good tea, but it also helps with stimulating your follicles. Okay, see, I'm just slicing it very thinly and putting that into my cup. You can also, when you finish drinking this, I don't usually throw this away. I eat. You can eat what's in here. It's all edible anyways. You could eat it and then just, wash it down with some water or something like that. Okay, so there you have it, and I'm just going to add my water. Okay, I'm back with my water, my kettle. So I just add the water, about that much. Okay, and then you can have it just like this. You can have it just like this, or you can add honey. I hope it's not, oh yeah, thanks, great, thank you. You can have a little honey. I'm not putting that much because I don't like it too sweet. You could, whatever your preference is, you could use honey or maple syrup or something natural like that. Okay, and let it steep. Let it steep for a couple of minutes, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and you're good to go. I give it a little stir. Okay, and then let it steep for 10-15 minutes, and then there you have it. Again, to use it on your hair, let it cool down, and whatever you don't use, you can put in the freezer. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm really excited about it, and I thought to myself, I drink this so often, I'm going to show you what I do so that you can also experience stimulation to the follicles, and also this is really good for digestion and just good for you in general. Okay, so please remember to give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and share this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.